Hey guys, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today's video I am going to show you guys how to make the most ooey gooey mac and cheese recipe ever. It's so good, you guys, and it's so easy to make. So if you're interested on seeing how it's done, please stay tuned. And also, if you're new here, do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave the channel, and also hit the bell by the subscribe button so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Without further ado, let's get started. To get started, we need to boil our pasta. I am using elbow pasta. You can use whatever pasta that you desire, but I am using that kind of pasta for today's video. I usually season my pasta water with onion powder, salt, and oil. Once my water comes to a boil, I am going to add in the pasta. I am going to cook the pasta for 6 minutes, or you can follow the direction on the box of the pasta so you know how to cook it, okay? Give it a quick mix, just cover it. While that is boiling, I am going to grate my cheese. Be sure to buy the whole cheese. Don't buy the one that comes already grated, because mac and cheese, you need the good old cheese to make it. So I'm using 3 different type of cheese. Check the link down below to see exactly the cheese name that I use. So once my pasta done cooking, I drained the water. I added about a tablespoon of butter in there to stop the cooking process. Now we're going to make our pasta sauce, or the cheese. I add in 2 tablespoons of butter in my pot here, and then I added about 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Once that is done and dissolved, I am going to add the milk. I am using whole milk mixed with buttermilk. You can use half and half if you like, or you can use whole milk by itself, okay? Give it a quick stir. Now to season it, I am using the Island Vibe seasoning, and as well as some Creole seasoning. Now the Island Vibe seasoning, to purchase it, I will leave the link down below. Be sure to check it out. Or you can use your favorite spices, and yeah. And also I add in a little bit of black pepper. Once that comes to a boil, it's nice and thick, I am going to add my pasta. I am going to give it a quick mix until the pasta is well combined with the sauce. Next, I am going in with the cheese. Now, the name of the cheese, like I said, will be down below in the description box with all the measurements, so check it out. Going to give it a quick mix. Now we're making mac and cheese, you guys. You want it to be super duper cheesy. It's already getting to feel like it's cheesy, but I am going to add more cheese because we want it to be super ooey gooey type of cheese. Okay, you see it? It's already looking super cheesy. Now I am going to add in about a 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Listen here, it's evaporated milk. Just add it in there. I always like to add evaporated milk to all my baking pasta because it's just give it that creamy, that creamy texture. I just love that texture. I added that milk in there, and then give it another quick mix. You're gonna have to do a lot of stirring here, so you'll see that a lot in this video. I am going to add a little bit more cheese, like I said. Look at that, super creamy and cheesy. Yes, honey. Alrighty, we're still stirring. Okay, I'm going to give it a quick mix. That's not so quick, but we're just gonna keep stirring it until all the cheese are dissolved. I have some chunks, big old chunks of cheese in there, and you can taste it for salt, or if you want to add more seasoning, you can add more at this time. Alrighty, now I am going to butter the container that I am going to bake it in. Just add some butter, or some non-stick spray will do as well. Next, I am just going to pour my mac and cheese in there. Look at that. Tell me this is not cheesy. This is so cheesy already, and we're going to add more cheese. It's super cheesy. Yes. Add your mac and cheese in there, lay it down with the back of the spoon nice and flat, and then we're going to add some more cheese. Oh, before I added the cheese, I did add a little bit more Cajun seasoning. That's just something that I like to do on top of it. Just sprinkle a little, like Salt Bae, just sprinkle a little more seasoning on top. That's just something I like to do. Okay, you don't have to do it if you don't want to do it, but I'm just going to add the cheese. More cheese. All of the 3 cheese that I used earlier, I'm just going to add the rest on top of this. Alright, this is some slow motion for you guys. This is so pretty. Okay, we're going to bake this on 350 for 25 minutes. Okay, when it comes out, moment of silence please for this mac and cheese. Now if this not cheesy enough for you, boo-boo, I don't know what is cheesy for you, because this is cheesy enough for me. Which do you see this? You see it, right? So cheesy. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so cheesy, guys. This is it. I really hope you guys enjoy it, and let this cool down for about 10 minutes because it will burn you. I did let it sit down for 10 minutes. That's probably why it's kind of like stick together, but it's still cheesy and creamy. Oh my gosh, I cannot. This is it, you guys. I really truly hope you will make this on Thanksgiving because it's so easy. It doesn't contain lots of ingredients. It will take you about 40 minutes, and trust me, you will love the outcome. Okay, this is it. Super cheesy 3 cheese mac and cheese, whatever you want to call it, but I hope you enjoy it. Be sure you would like the video, share it with a friend. Of course, you gotta share, because sharing is caring. So share the video, please, for moi. I will definitely appreciate it if you do. This is it. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys love it. I am gonna bring you guys more Thanksgiving recipes, so stay tuned. Tune on your post notification so you don't miss out, and definitely let me know what you're cooking for Thanksgiving this season. Let me know down below. I would love to know. Thank you for watching, guys. Be sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get the video to 300 likes. I will see you guys not tomorrow. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.